Take her picture. What do you say, Harper? Say cheese. Harper, you gonna say cheese? Take Grandma's picture. Did you take my picture? Did you say cheese? Did you say Grandma? Did you say Adeline? Addie. Can you say Grandpa? Look at Grandma. Grandpa. Louder. Grandpa. What do you say, Adeline? Oh.
No, the bear is sweet.
That's Teddy Rumpkin. He's sleeping. Shh, the bear's sleeping. Give the bear a kiss goodnight. Harper, give the bear a kiss goodnight.
I love you.
I love you too.
Done.
Can you give the bear a kiss? Kiss? Harper? Give Addie a kiss. You want to take her picture? Harper, you want to take Addie's picture?
No.
Tell her to say cheese.
Fish.
Say cheese. See, she said cheese. What are you two doing? Meow. Harper, look at Grandma, Harper. What are you going to say? Can you say cheese? Say Grandma. Harper. She wants you to say cheese, Adeline. Okay, take her picture. Harper, take her picture.
No. I want to take my picture.
Take Bear's picture. Take Teddy Rumpkin's picture. Did you give Harper a kiss goodnight, Adeline?
No.
All right, well, you better say I love you and give her a kiss goodnight.
Kiss goodnight. I love you, Harper.
Did you hear her, Harper? She said, I love you, Harper.
Where's my kitty?
I don't know. Now Harper's playing the piano.
I want my kitty.
That's good job, Harper.
I want my kitty.
Good job.
I want my kitty.
Do you know where it is?
Grandma, get it.
Well, I think Adeline should get it.
No.
Why?
Where's my blanket?
I don't know. You've got a lot of things missing right now, don't you? Where's Harper? Harper, where's your food, Harper? Hey, Harper, where's your food? Where's your food? Oh, there's your food. Can you say food? Food. You want to feed the baby dolls?
No, I'm sleeping.
Oh, good night.